Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Paulda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started.
While it could be said that in today's world, photographers are a dime a dozen. Really good photographers, however, aren't so easy to find, and there is your challenge. Your challenge to become one of the rare really good photographers out there. And might I be so good that no one can ignore you. With millions of people out there taking photographs, mostly with their mobile phones, it seems that the art is becoming lost in a sea of different and muddled voices. Despite this fact, professional photographers stand tall as true artists because they take their craft seriously and know how to capture emotion through light. Professionals know instinctively how to capture great images. With such an oversaturated market for photography on the internet today, where even your little brother can call himself a photographer, thanks to Instagram filters, only those who are truly talented will be able to provide something meaningful with their work and get noticed. Why then do we see so many snapshot artists selling photos and so many of those talented photographers frustrated with lack of sales or flat out giving up? It comes down to one simple fact. Photography is like any other business in one very basic way. It doesn't matter how good you are if people don't know about what you do. Many amazing photographers fail because they never promote themselves and their work to the public. Marketing, self-promotion. These two things can make or break a photographer's career. The irony is that the same technology that has changed photography for photographers like me in such a positive way can also frustrate us even more. Sure, I could set up an online portfolio quickly and easily with minutes, connect it to any number of sales platforms. Heck, many of these platforms will print my photos or frames them too. But there's no guarantee of sales or paying jobs by merely having an online presence. Without promotion, you can forget about your business taking off or succeeding. Without promotion, your work will be hidden under piles of other people's work who actually got lucky enough to get attention first. Social media advertising isn't as easy as many newcomers think, either. Your personal Facebook and Twitter accounts have a limited reach, and it takes something really spectacular to extend beyond that reach. So, if you're thinking all you have to do is have an active social media account, think again. If you've looked into the effort and possible costs associated with Facebook business page or an Instagram business page, then you know that you've got to convert posts into sales in order for this method of promotion to work. And how do you make social media work to promote yourself and convert your posts to sales? By ads. This is what social media companies want from you. Your money. What's more is if you don't purchase ads over a long period of time and consistently, then your efforts are wasted. You won't accomplish what you want. Social media can be powerful if done correctly, but only after learning how to use these tools correctly and efficiently. That said, would I consider buying an ad on social media? There are a variety of reasons for my answer, and my answer is no. By now, you're probably wondering if I'm sharing this information just to help you decide to give up. I assure you, that isn't the case. I'm simply pointing out that the traditional process of promoting yourself as a photographer is still a considerable amount of work, even with all the awesome new tools available. I call it old-fashioned marketing, and it's the old-fashioned marketing that you must do to get noticed. Don't get me wrong, all that traditional stuff is still important. You need an online portfolio. You need to put yourself and your photography out into the world. You need to blog about your work. Any testimonials you can get from clients are a great help. Everything you think you should be doing to promote yourself online, you should be doing. Business cards are a must. The real difference, though, is to find the things that work for you, instead of making more work for yourself. You know, it's that whole work smarter, not harder thing. A little bit of research will show you lots of other ways to take some of the promotional work off your shoulders. For instance, some of the sites that host images for your online portfolio or sales will automatically post to your Facebook page, Flickr page, or Twitter account every time you upload or update an image. That should be one of the criteria you look for when you decide what services to sign up for. There's no escaping the fact that without promotion, your photography business isn't going to succeed. There's also no getting around the fact that promotion is a lot of work. And one of the keys to good promotion is consistency. You must show up and promote yourself and your photography, almost on a daily basis. If photography is your passion, if photography is the way you want to earn a living, or even earn extra money, then you must learn and practice good marketing and self-promotion skills. There is no way around the fact, and there is no shortcut. And this is reality. Just remember, you can be the best photographer since Ansel Adams, or Henri Cartier-Bresson, with the most drop-dead gorgeous photographs anyone has ever seen. But if you don't market and promote yourself and your photography, no one will ever know.
A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaulda.mentor.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.